Okay, student, now continue the story. All the summer in a day. Yesterday we saw the class. The students are rushed out of the window. They watched the sun. Now the sun was appeared in the sky. Okay, what they are going to do now? See, now don't go too far. Far. Call the teacher after them. So now the teacher called them. They advised to the childrens, don't go no, so much of distance because you have only 2 hours. Actually, that sun is only for appearing just for 2 hours. Already, you won't want to get caught out. So if you wasting time to after 2 hours means you will caught in the middle of the forest. So don't go too much of far like that. He advised to the children. But they were running and running, their faces up to the sky and feeling the sun on their cheeks like a warm iron. They were taking off their jackets and letting the sun burn their arms. Now they are running. They refers to the children are running and running. They are very enthusiastically, happily they are running. Their faces were upwardly. They are watching the sky and they are feeling the sun on their cheeks because the sun is fell on their cheeks. They are like a warm iron. They are feeling. They felt that iron and the heat. They were taking off their jacket and also they are removing their jackets. Jackets is nothing is called the overcoat. They are removing the overcoat and letting the sun burn their arms. Now they are removing their coat and they want to the heat was want to fell on their arms. Oh, it's better than the sun lamps, isn't it? Someone asked. Oh, the sun is better than the sun lamp. The sun lamp is nothing, it's the artificial sun. So someone called, compared to the artificial sun, the natural sun is much better, like that he informed, isn't it? Much better. The someone answered, yes, you are telling is truly, it was much better, like that he informed. They stopped running and stood in the great jungle that covered Venus, that grew and never stopped growing. So while they are running, that time they are going to stop in the jungle. They stood and the jungle was covered with the Venus that grew. That forest was still it was growing, never stopped its growing. Actually, the forest did not stop their growing. Tumultuously is nothing disorderly even as you watched it. If they are watching that jungle, it was disorderly, it was developing, it was growing. The students are watching it silently. It was a nest of octopus. While watching the jungle, it was they are compared to the octopus. Like the jungle was like octopus, likewise it was developed. Clustering of grey toms the flesh like weeds. So the branches were clustering like a flush of like a weeds and wavering, and also the leaves were wavering in the hair. Flowering in is the brief spring. Actually, before the summer, it is the spring season. So the flowers and the wavering of the leaves and the flesh was like a weeds. Everything was enjoyed the forest. So the students are watching it. It was the color of the rubber and the ash, and also the jungle color was now the rubber color and also the ash color. This jungle from the many years without sunlight was the color of stones and the white cheeses and ink, and it was the color of the moon. Actually, the jungle did not got so much of sun, so it was waiting for many years without sunlight. So the forest color was now the like stones color and also like a white cheese color and also the ink color, and it was the color of the moon, like the moon color, because for several years the jungle did not get the sunlight, so it was like a fading color, it's a whitish color. The children lay out, laughing on the jungle matters, and heard its sigh and the squeak under them, silent and alive. Now the children are laying one place and they are happily laughing in the jungle matters and heard its sigh and under the resilient. Resilient is nothing occurring from the difficult condition and they are alive. They ran among the trees and they slipped and fell. They pushed each other. They played hide and seek and tag but most of all squinted at the sun until tears ran down their faces. Okay, but they ran among the trees. Still, they are started their running among the trees. They slipped and fell while they are running. So many children are unfortunately slipped and fell down on the ground, and they pushed each other, and they are pushing each other. They are playing. They are played hide and seek, and also they are playing the game hide and seek, and they tagged is nothing, they are beating one another, and most of all they pointed is nothing, looked at the sun until tears ran down their faces, and also everyone, most of the children are watching the sun until the eyes was filled with tears like that, they, because the sun was so much of heat, so they are watching the sunlight. They put their hands up to the yellowness and that amusing blueness, and they breathed of the fresh air, and listened to the silence which suspended them in a blessed sea of no sound and no motion. So now the children, everyone were putting their hands upwardly, and that sawing the yellowness and that amusement blueness of the sun, and they breathed of the fresh air. Now they breathed the fresh air and listened to the silence, and also they are listening, and also listening very keenly of the silence which suspended them in a blessed sea. They are like the silent was like the blessed sea of no sound, no motions. The in a sea there is actually the sea makes so much of sound, but they are listening here. The sea was like a no sound and no motion, without any action, like that they are watching. They looked at everything and savored everything, and also they are looking everything, and they all enjoyed everything. Then widely, like animals escaped from their caves, they ran in the shouting circles, and also they widely, very largely, they are like animals, they escaped from the cave. While the animals were escaped from the cave, how they are enjoyed their movement, like that the children also escaped their place. They are running, and they are run and making sound, and in the circle they are running. They run from an hour, and did not stop running. While they are running, they are running for 1 hour and did not stop their running. And then in the midst of their running, one of the girl wailed. So wailed is nothing, one of the girl is crying at the halfway of the running. Just here the girl is whining. Wailed, it means crying. Everyone stopped their running. They watched the girl. The girl standing, the girl standing in the open held out the other hand. So simply the girl was crying and stopped their running, and they called everyone, and everyone stopped their running. The girl standing in the open held in the other hand. The girl standing in the open and held out the other hand, and the girl standing at the same place just spread out their hand, other hand also. Oh, look, look, she said tremblingly. She was fiercely, she said. Just look, look, he called to others. Then they came slowly to look at their open form. So everyone came there slowly and look at their open form. Form is nothing, the in the center part of the hand. In the center of it, cupped and huge, was a single raindrop. In the center part of their hand form, there was a huge raindrop. She began to cry, looking at while looking the raindrop, the drop of the water, raindrop of the water. She began to cry. They glanced quietly at the sun. So the children also watched the huge water, rainbow drop, and they are watching very quietly, and at the same time they are watching the sun quietly. Oh ho! A few cold drops fell on their noses. At that moment, again some few drops of rainwater fell on their noses and their cheeks and their mouths. So still the rainwater was fell on their cheeks and their mouths and the noses. The sun faded beyond a star of mist. At that moment, the little the sun was beyond the mist, it was faded. A wind blew, could around them. At that moment, the cold wind was blew around them. They turned and started to walk back toward the underground house, their hands to their sides, their smiles vanishing away. At that moment, the children returned to their walk back to their underground house into the school. While they are walking, return to their house, their hands at their side. They are keeping their hands in their side, and their smile, the happiness vanishing away. Vanishing is nothing. The smile was disappeared.